Hey guys, it's your girlfriend here, staying persistent and consistent. Today I have a detox drink for you guys that's gonna get your body right. Okay, so get your ginger, get your cucumber. Oh, and I hope you guys enjoy my magic show. I'm learning some new editing, but yeah, that didn't work. But go ahead and like and subscribe in the meantime while I figure things out. Also, you're gonna include some celery. Go ahead and add that to your blender. All these ingredients are really good because they contain electrolytes. They also will help kickstart your metabolism and aid in your digestion. Will result in weight loss, and that's what we want. You're gonna go ahead and add about 4 cups of water to your blender, guys. I'm always making a mess. I'm such a messy cook. Okay, so after this, you're going to also add a lemon. This is gonna help add some nice tangy flavor. And remove the seeds because it can kind of make it a little bitter, but it'll be fine if it gets in there. I think I got a couple in there. After this, we're going to blend up our ingredients. Look at all that pulp, all that goodness. And go ahead and remove your blade from your blender, and we're gonna put this in the refrigerator so they can get cool. The longer you guys leave it in the refrigerator, the more potent, the more spicy it becomes. But I think I just left mine in there for a couple hours just to get cool enough, and it still works, guys. I've still lost weight. So after that, we're gonna go ahead and strain this and separate, the liquid from the pulp. Guys, yeah.
Clean up in aisle 3.
And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. It kind of tastes like Gatorade to me, just without the sugar. And I've lost like about 30 pounds with this, and I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much. Please rate, like, comment, and subscribe, guys. And I'll be back next week. Love you. Bye.